They called her the Virgin Queen Gloriana, Good Queen Bess, but behind the pearls and elaborate ruffs was Elizabeth I, one of the most ruthless and brilliant monarchs in history. She wasn't just a survivor. She was a master of the game, outliving and outmaneuvering every single one of her rivals. Elizabeth's childhood was a real-life thriller. Her own father, Henry VIII, declared her illegitimate and had her mother, Anne Boleyn, executed. She grew up walking on eggshells, constantly under suspicion, and was even imprisoned in the Tower of London by her own half-sister, Queen Mary, but these early trials didn't break her. They forged her into a political genius. When she finally took the throne at 25, England was broke, divided by religion, and surrounded by enemies. Everyone expected her to fail. They couldn't have been more wrong. Elizabeth played her male advisors and foreign suitors against each other like chess pieces. For decades, she dangled the prospect of marriage to gain political advantages, all while knowing she would never give up her power to a husband. She famously said, "I have the heart and stomach of a king," and she proved it. She crushed rebellions, faced down the mighty Spanish Armada, and established the Church of England as we know it. But her reign wasn't all triumphs. She was ruthless when she needed to be. The execution of her cousin, Mary, Queen of Scots, was a cold, calculated move to eliminate a major threat to her throne. It was a decision that haunted her, but one she knew was necessary to secure her kingdom and her legacy. Elizabeth I ruled for over 44 years, a period known as the Elizabethan Age, a golden era of exploration, poetry, and drama. She inherited a troubled kingdom and left behind a powerful, confident nation. She truly was the queen who outlived them all. Thanks for watching. If you're fascinated by powerful figures in history, hit that subscribe button and join us for more. See you next time.